Hey, welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm Jerry from Bigelow Woodcraft, and we're doing a few little tinkering items on this mill today, and I'll take you along with me to show you what we're doing, and then we'll see what happens from there. All right, let's get going.
Of course, I didn't introduce my lovely wife of 35 years, Jill. She's my sidekick, and she's helping out on this project.
Nailed it. Never tighten these up when I racked it to get the blade knuckle. I've noticed when I've been milling that my last board is not accurate anymore. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to adjust the scale to this height. But I don't think this is level anymore. I'm using this bunk because these could vary just, a couple of 20, 10, 15 thousandths. But I want to make sure my blade is the same height in each direction. And I know it's not. I can see it when I put a tape measure on it. So we're going to use depth mics here. Find a blade tooth that's okay. We'll just do. $761, 760. Woo. Okay, I'm gonna say they're probably close to 50 thousandths off. So I don't have the pulleys, so these are the bolts I gotta turn. Or these are the nuts I have to turn. So we gotta crank this thing up. All right, here we go. Ooh, I will take that. We're about 4 thousandths off from this side to this side. Now, I may move it that much, but I'm really trying not to move that. So 4 thousandths. Good. So we are at, and now I'll set the scale to this. So some of you might know what I'm building. I'm building a log turner for this wood mill, and I will show you in the next video, but this one is a little different. Just getting some stuff set up, and we're gonna wish you a Merry Christmas. But I bought a winch the other day off of Amazon. Amazon's making it right with me. The company, they said don't even send it back. Somebody bought this winch once, and they obviously had the same winch on a four-wheeler or an ATV or something, because they took their old defective one off, put it back in the box, packaged it up real nice. You can hardly tell. I can see where they cut it, because I opened the bottom of the box by accident. I pull it out, let me show you something. All the wiring, he didn't do anything with the wiring, he left the wiring, because the wiring's all the new wiring. The winch, he just took his old winch, defective winch off his four-wheeler, or whatever he had it on. The clutch is busted off of it. Look how dirty it is. Oop, my finger is stuck in there. Dirty, it's rusty, the cable's all frayed. So they are sending me, they're gonna send me a new winch. But in the meantime, I went to V-Board and bought one of their cheap winches. So let's open that up. We're gonna open that up on the bottom, right here, on video. I wish I would have done that. The company stayed on my side. They, Amazon, no questions asked. They said, hey, we'll send you out a new one. I sent them photos of it. Like, holy smokes. So, yeah, that's somebody with no scruples. So if that's you who's watching this video, you're an idiot. You're not a cool person. And karma's coming your way. Alright, so let's open it. I think we'll be okay this time. You don't ever have to. Alright, I don't see any damage to it. This is a 4,500 pound winch. This is what it's supposed to look like when it shows up. So let's show you what we have here. And send you on your way. Right now I just have a strap on it so you can kind of see what is going to happen. There's a pull on that end down there. The winch will be mounted down here, or even possibly down at the end. Probably right here. Probably do something like this. Alright guys, that will do it. We ended up getting the oil change, I got the height adjusted, got a few things done on the mill. You've seen that I did start the log turner that many of you suggested. I'm going to do it with a winch and not hydraulics, because I don't have hydraulics. But tomorrow is Christmas, and we'd like to wish all of you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Hopefully we'll have a video out for you this Friday, but this will come out tomorrow on Christmas Day. So from our family to your family,
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Have a good one.
Thanks for all the support. Take care. We'll see you out here in the mill next time.